So I have to add my onion. So I want to make crayfish for this rice. And my crayfish, as in enough crayfish. I love this cooking, huh? And my fish. Now add pepper, please. Alright, I'll have to stir it for a minute. Okay, need oil and need butter. A cup of water. Need like seasoning. This one is maki crayfish. I love using it to cook. Give me a great taste. So I've added 1 cube of maki crayfish and 1 cube of no cube. Let her be. Oh yeah.
Mommy, take out food.
Okay, thank you.
Mommy, take out food. Mommy, take out food.
Okay, I'm coming. Thank you. Let me add my salt.
Mommy, I thought you give it to me.
Okay, I'll give it to you. It's yours. I'm cooking it for you.
Mommy, this one is nice.
Yes, that's nice. Don't touch, please.
This one is nice.
Yes, that's nice.
This one is nice.
Yes, Oyo. Please don't ask me again. I'm tired.
Mommy,
Hmm?
one is nice. Mommy, this one is nice.
It is.
Mommy, this one is nice.
Yes, dear. Okay, let me taste, please. Let me taste and see if my salt is okay.
Mommy, I want to cook for Daddy.
You want to cook for Daddy? Okay, when I leave kitchen, you can come and cook. So what I'll do now, I'll add my rice. Already parboiled rice.
Mommy, I want to cook for Daddy.
It's okay. You don't want to cook for me?
I want to cook for you.
Okay, thank you, my love.
I want to cook for Daddy.